Hi guys, welcome to this video. Deploy Metasploitable2. Metasploitable is an intentionally vulnerable Linux virtual machine. This VM can be used to conduct security training, test security tools, and practice common penetration testing techniques. So let's begin. First we need to download Metasploitable2 machine. So just search on Google download Metasploitable2, use query site colon to get result of specific website. Click on this link and here you can see download button to download Metasploitable Linux machine. I have already downloaded Metasploitable virtual machine into D drive of my laptop. So let me extract this Metasploitable machine. Just right click on it and click on extract to Metasploitable-Linux 2.0.0.0, yes to all. Now double click on Metasploitable and here you can see configuration files of Metasploitable. Just double click on it. Here you can see Metasploitable machine has been integrated with VMware Workstation. Now we need to click on power on this virtual machine. It will start virtual machine. Just click on I moved it. Keep in mind Metasploitable machine is a vulnerable machine. We will use to attack on it to gather results of this course. Here you can see if you want to log in into machine, use MSF admin as a username and MSF admin as a password to log in into this virtual machine. So hope you understand how we can download Metasploitable2 machine and how we can extract it and open it into VMware Workstation. Thank you for watching this video.